Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Afton and this is Cooking with Afton. First, I want to say happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there, and I hope you guys going to enjoy your Mother's Day with your family and cook up all sorts of different delicious meal and just enjoy your day. Alright, I wish you all the best for all the mothers out there. Alright, so in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make Guyanese cassava pone. Yes, Guyanese cassava pone. I'll show you guys step by step how to make this delicious pone, and I hope you guys are gonna enjoy watching this video. Give my video a thumbs up. Yes, thumbs up the video, and also please subscribe to my channel. And guys, you gotta make sure that you click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video. Alright, I'm gonna try to upload twice a week, every Wednesday and every Sunday. Alright, so and also you guys can follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton, and you guys can follow me on Facebook, Cooking with Afton. Alright, and guys, I want to ask you guys to please watch the ads in the video. When you guys watch the ads in the video, that's helping me out a lot. I would really appreciate it, right? And if anyone would like to donate or support to my channel, I'll leave that link in the description box down below for my Cash App and my PayPal. I would really appreciate it. And also, all my ingredients and measurements will also be in the description box down below. Alright, so let me just show you how I make my delicious Guyanese cassava pone. Enjoy and happy Mother's Day again. Hey guys, so these are my ingredients for my Guyanese cassava pone. Here we have some grated cassava, we have some grated coconut, we have some grated nutmeg, cinnamon powder and clove powder, some melted butter, vanilla essence, carnation milk, condensed milk, black pepper, and some sugar. So let's go mix up all our ingredients now. So you're gonna get a big bowl. So in a bowl, I'm gonna put in my freshly grated coconuts. Then I'm gonna put my freshly grated cassava, or you can also call it yuca. And yeah, now we just call it cassava. Alright. So now you're gonna put in your milk, your carnation milk. I'm just gonna put in half of the tin for now, and I'm gonna mix it up. The cassava, mix it up with the coconut, the grated coconut. All right. So now we're gonna put in our spices. So you're gonna put in your nutmeg, cinnamon powder, and your clove powder. You're gonna also put in your melted butter. You're gonna put in your vanilla essence and your sugar. I'm just gonna put in half of my sugar for now. I'm gonna mix everything up together. So now guys, we're gonna put in the remaining of our carnation milk, mix it up, and we're gonna also put in some black pepper. That's gonna give it a little kick, a little spiciness. And we're gonna put in 1 can of our condensed milk. And you're gonna mix everything up together. Just like this. Just keep mixing it and make sure everything combine well. Alright? So when you finish mixing it, you're gonna taste it. Let me taste it and see if it needs a little bit more sugar or so. Let me taste it. Alright, I'm gonna put my balance of my brown sugar that I had, and I'm gonna mix it up. Alright? So we'll be back. Okay guys, so now in a pan you're gonna butter it with some butter, and then you're gonna pour your cassava pone into the pan. I'm gonna pour everything into the pan just like this, and then my stove is already preheated, and I'm gonna let this bake for about an hour or so. Alright, so we'll be back. Okay guys, so I just took this out of the oven. It has been baking for an hour and 20 minutes. So what you have to do now, you have to let it cool down for maybe like 45 minutes to an hour. And when it cool down, we're gonna cut it up and I'll show you guys the end result. So we'll be back. Okay, so I'll be cutting it right now. I'm gonna cut it into squares, okay? Just like this. And then you're gonna cut it straight down the middle here. I'm gonna get a plate now and plate it and let you guys see. So I'm gonna take up this piece here. I'm gonna put it in my plate just like this. See how it's looking, guys? It's gonna be so delicious. So I'm gonna taste it now on camera and let you guys see. Okay guys, so I'm gonna taste my Guyanese cassava pone on camera and let you guys see. Alright, so I just cut the piece here. So this is it here. So I'm just gonna make a piece with my fork here. So this is how it's looking. It's very gummy in the inside and a little hard on the top, but that's how it's supposed to be. So I'm gonna taste it now and let you guys see. Wow. Cassava pone tastes really good, guys. You guys should really try this recipe, alright? So, I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Give my video a thumbs up. Yes, thumbs up the video. And also, please subscribe to my channel. And guys, please make sure that you click the bell so you guys can be notified whenever I upload another video, right? I upload video twice a week, mostly on Wednesdays and on Sundays, alright? So you guys can also follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton, and on Facebook, Cooking with Afton, alright? So I hope you guys try this delicious Guyanese cassava pone recipe, alright? Take care and bye! Hey guys! I just want to tell you guys, for Mother's Day, I'll be making 3 different meals. So, but you guys won't be getting to watch it on Mother's Day. You're probably going to watch it probably on Tuesday or Wednesday, alright? So I just want you guys to know that I am making a Mother's Day lunch, but unfortunately, you won't get to see it on Mother's Day. You're only going to get to see the pone on Mother's Day, alright? So, look out for my Mother's Day meal Tuesday and Wednesday, alright? Thanks again for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Happy Mother's Day. Hey guys, I just want to tell you guys, for Mother's Day, I'll be making 3 different meals. So, but you guys won't be getting to watch it on Mother's Day. You're probably going to watch it probably on Tuesday or Wednesday, alright? So I just want you guys to know that I am making a Mother's Day lunch, but unfortunately, you won't get to see it on Mother's Day. You're only going to get to see the pone on Mother's Day, alright? So, look out for my Mother's Day meal Tuesday and Wednesday. Alright, thanks again for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye, happy Mother's Day.